Oh, absolutely not. I'm trying to eat my food.
Show me a jiggle, let me see, let me see.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it?
Let's see what this vlog holds. We're here for a full week. I'll see y'all when I get to Sur Beach House. The camera eats first. W-eat. This wasn't on the entire time. I am so dumb. Anyways, guys, I thought I was filming this entire time, but I literally wasn't. But anyways, this is the views of our hotel. Literally insane. Like, the B&B pictures don't even do this view justice. It's insanity. But this is like the little terrace part. We have a grill. There's a tennis court over there. There's 3 pools, 2 over there, 1 over here. Parking lot, and even our neighbors downstairs, they got like grass and stuff. A vibe for sure. And it's not like super hot on the terrace because it's really shaded and like the wind is coming in. But yeah, all right, this is how I look. I like the finished look. I just paired it with a Versace purse. I have my jewelry on, and yeah. Why are they literally selling stuff to us? Like it's insane. It's actually very annoying. Like, we just want to chill and relax, but it's just every second someone is throwing something at our face to sell. Like, it's not giving. But yeah, anyways, I want a picture right there when it's time to take pics. I look cute. We're at the sandbar, and we're getting food and massage later. I'm probably gonna do the jet ski today. We're supposed to go on the yacht, but it's too windy, so we decided to ditch the yacht. Oh, absolutely not. Y'all look. Ew. No, I'm good. Is that a? Ew. Oh my god. No. Do you want one? I don't want to. You can take one. Yeah, I know. It's cute though. Look at that big old boat. Is that a cruise ship? So we left the beach and now we're at the pool. Oh, my titties in order. I'm about to take pictures. It is.
Yesterday very crazy.
Yeah, it was. Hey guys, so we're on the yacht right now. You probably can't hear me, but I'm just relaxing. I got my sunscreen. I'm about to reapply though on my face because it's super hot out here and I don't want to burn up. But yeah, I'm just catching a cute little tan. It's like the best day to tan. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's go. The sunscreen is this one, and it just makes my skin look so glittery and like glowy. It's so pretty. But yeah, I'm going to relax. Oh wow, look. Wine for me, girl. Wine for me. Guys, so we're in Maria. We're in Maria Jimenez. It is really cute here. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this cute.
Something happy, romantic.
Something romantic. Wait, stop. This is so cute. W eats. Special recipe. That scared me. The way I'm trying to eat my food. Where's Sunset Mona Lisa? My makeup will turn out so good today. It's freezing, so cold. This restaurant is amazing. The ambiance is gorgeous. The view is insane. The view is insane. But yeah, I'm having a great time. Peep the earrings, the details. And a quick update. Today is a rest day, so we're gonna keep it really cute and light today. So today we're going to the beach. We're just gonna spend the day at the beach, you know, very chill day, get some lunch, and I'm bloated. I've been bloating this entire trip. But we're just gonna get some lunch and dinner at the beach and like have a beach day. My dress is just Missoni. I'm just wearing my plain black sandals, and then my purse is Versace. And yeah, just keeping it real chill. We're also doing some laundry, just cleaning, just like doing some laundry here. So like when we get home, we're not bombarded by like having to wash like all the clothes that we use on vacay. So that's like the nice thing about having an Airbnb with a laundry unit, because then when we get home, we could just pack, like hang our clothes and be done with that, instead of, you know, having to like wash, clean out our clothes and all that stuff. So yeah, that's the nice part. But yeah, oh yeah, and my bikini underneath is from Shein. Okay, see you guys at the beach. Okay guys, but I cannot get enough of this insane view. Also, don't mind my clothes, they're just like drying on the balcony. These are like all my delicates. I literally have like my Lululemon over there, and then like one of my gowns, and two of my gowns, my diamond bikini, my Versace robe, and I think that's just like a nice dress. But yeah, guys, this view is insane. I hate that Costco kind of ruins the view, but yeah. I want to show you guys like more of like, I never even did like a house tour for you guys, but I'll try to do that like the last day, like right before we leave. Y'all, these vendors are pissing me off so bad. But anyways, so we've been at the beach and just swam, you know, got food. We're at Sir Beach House again. The food here is so good. I saw a TikTok of someone saying that the food was mid, and honestly, whoever said that just has horrible taste buds. Because they were saying everywhere was mid. They said Sunset Mona Lisa was mid, and Sunset Mona Lisa was so good. Sir Beach House is good. It has really, really good food. Their lobster rolls are really good, and their sweet potato fries, muy bueno. But yeah, the food here is good. We almost like got scared because like a lot of the places didn't have good food. But you know, as the trip goes on, we're getting luckier and luckier. But yeah, I just changed out of my swimsuit and yeah. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. Probably just sleep, watch a movie, because it's giving homebodies. But yeah, all right, bye, catch y'all later. So I never give an Airbnb tour, but it defeats the purpose now because it's like we're literally about to leave. But shower, bathroom. So I'm gonna move these cups. Closet. Bed, obviously it's not main. TV. This is the walkway. It comes with like a big mirror. Bedroom. It's the washer and dryer. This is another bathroom, like a guest bathroom. This is the kitchen. It comes with like a water thingy. This is the living room, really cute. One thing I really like about this Airbnb was the decor. This is this giant mirror. And I already showed y'all this, but this is the patio. And y'all remember the view, it's gorgeous. And yeah, that's all really. We're getting ready to go to the airport. It's been a successful 7 days. And yeah, thank you for following along this vlog with me. Bye.